Holy cow, game changer, you guys. All right, today we are going to unbox, install, and review this awesome awning. Spoiler, you guys already know what I think about it. You've never seen an awning at this price, at this quality. We're also going to take a look at a privacy shelter, and stick around to the end of the video because you can win one for free. Hey guys, welcome back. You might be considering an awning, so we're going to do a review of the Overland Pros Raptor 4K today. That's what I currently have on my rig. This is the next generation, so we're going to do an unboxing and an install. If you haven't been here before, my name is Michael. I founded Overland Bound a number of years ago. We have a worldwide community that wants to support you in planning for your own adventure. So get on over there. We'd love to have you join the crew. All right, so Nick has been developing this design, iterating over a number of years. This third generation, really, really cool. Like I said, I've got the second generation.
There's some people that will go spend $1,600 for an awning.
Yeah.
But that wasn't me, because I'm going to bang it on the trees, and I would cry if I banged a $1,600 awning on the trees and hurt it.
Right.
And then there was just little junky ones.
So he knew there was an opportunity to provide value for people that more people could afford. So that's the goal here. We're going to go way over to the Overland Bound garage, and we'll open this thing up. A bonus, we also have this shower privacy shelter that mounts to your rack as well. So we're going to take a look at that. Here it is. All right, let's take a look at the privacy shelter as well. All right, very similar build. I like that. Same methodology, same type of mounting rail, though this is actually about the size of the awning that I have on there now. You saw the other one was much thicker. And then I've got mounting brackets and all stainless hardware. So stainless steel, that is awesome. Those are lock nuts, which is good. All right, let's install some stuff. All right, so that's installed. I'll tell you what, I like the way that it sits on the rack better than the other one. This is, it's a lot shorter. We'll see how it is when we open it up, and that's gonna be the next step. But the install was relatively straightforward. Those brackets are super, super strong. So I like the way it's sitting. Hey guys, day two. All right, today we are going to install the privacy shelter. That's where you would change, that's where you do your business. And we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put the axe and shovel, because that's where the privacy shelter is gonna go. Once we do that, we're gonna head out, we're gonna deploy these things, and we're gonna do a full review. And then, unlike some other videos, we're going to, without cutting, put these things away so you guys see actually how difficult it is or how easy it is to put them away. All right, if you're liking the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Another plane. You serious? I can get a plane to fly over my head anytime I want. Just start filming. Hey, that's gonna work great. Just like that. That shovel is probably gonna catch the wind. It's probably gonna whistle like the dickens. We'll see when we're going down the freeway. Every installation is going to be a little bit different, so your headspace when you're mounting this stuff should be patient. All right, now we have the awning mounted and we have the privacy shelter mounted. Let's take it out, open this thing up, and then show you guys what it takes to put it back together. All right, you guys, really impressed with this. Now, in a few minutes, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how long it takes to close this up and to close the privacy shelter up. We're not gonna do any cuts, because that's what you really wanna know. How easy is it to open and close? Obviously, it's very easy to open. I just opened this thing up. It's completely freestanding. I'm gonna mention it again. This is the third iteration that Nick at Overland Pros has had on the market, and this is really, to me, it's a game changer. If you guys do your own research, there's nothing else like it on the market for the price. I will mention that for Overland Bound members in our store, we have a special deal for you. It'll more than pay for the cost of your Overland Bound membership if you're interested in this awning, so check that out. Now, to mention a few features of this awning, you see it's completely freestanding, but it does have a couple of legs. So those legs you can pull down for additional support. Now the reason you would do that is because with this awning you can also have a couple of walls, or you can even completely surround the 270-degree awning with walls that go all the way to the ground, and then you'd need a little bit more additional support. There are also some other accessories. You see here, I have this accessory that goes into the channel on the awning mount. It just slides right in, and then you can store things if you're base camping for a little while. Very convenient, but just all in all, very impressed with this. Before we close this thing up, how do you guys register to win one for free? It's the easiest contest in the world. 3 steps. Go to overlandbound.com. You'll see a banner at the top of the page. Click it, enter your email address, and hit submit. That's it. You can win one for free. And of course, we have them over at store.overlandbound.com. Special deal for members. Get on over there.